I'm going to show you exactly how to build a creative request intake system that can be shared across your organization in order to capture, organize, and manage your creative requests effortlessly. All right, let's jump right into it. First things first, we are going to open up Airtable and set up our creative production database. Airtable is a business app builder that not only allows us to organize and store our data, but also to build interfaces and ways for our team and users to interact with our data. Think of it like a Lego kit for business tools, and we're going to be using this Lego kit to build out a central hub for managing our creative requests. If you want to know more about how to use Airtable, we have a free Airtable for beginners course that you can grab on our website. Okay, so we have our creative production database open. We are going to take this first table and rename it to requests to reflect the fact that it's going to store and be the intake point for all of our new requests. Let's go ahead and delete all the records out this view, as well as all of these fields. We don't need them. We're going to be adding our own. That's it for the database. We are going to jump up into the Forms tab over here in order to set up our creative request intake form. This is what we'll share with users in order to have them submit their creative requests directly to our Airtable database. At this point, we are going to add all of the fields that are relevant to our creative request intake process to this form so that they are submitted with this request into the database. We can add fields for things like our project name, project description, the type of project it is, the business goals we're seeking to achieve. Even things like files can be uploaded into this form directly into our database. It'll be up to you to come up with the full list of fields that you need to ensure your creative brief is fully defined, but just know that the possibilities are almost limitless when it comes to the kind of data that you can upload and store using this form system. Let's go ahead and make some of these fields required so that we know every time this form is submitted, we are always gathering the exact same information. We'll go ahead and add some additional helper text here as well so that our users know exactly how to answer this question accurately. All right, looks good to me. Let's go ahead and publish this form so that it is public to the world and we can share it with our team. At this point, we are almost to the finish line. All we need to do now is test this form and ensure that we're actually getting the data we're expecting once it's submitted. So let's go ahead and go through the process of filling out these fields so that we can submit this form. All right, and that should be good enough for now. Let's go ahead and hit submit. We'll jump back to our requests table, and just like that, we can see that form submission in our database table ready for us to take action on. Now that you've set up the initial beginnings of your creative production database, you have set the foundation for not only automation, but also for building scalable work tools that can be shared across your organization. In the next video, I will show you how to build a neat and tidy holding pen intake view so that when requests are made through your form, you have a tailored view for making decisions and prioritizing those requests as they come in and assigning them out to your team. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.